Hello there, it's Ellie here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my new website, which is called Simple Monthly Money, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Okay, so on Simple Monthly Money you will find that there is a series of simple steps for you to follow. Step number 1 is for you to join a free earning website. Okay, so after you have joined the free website from step number 1, you will find that there are various different earning tasks that you can do on the site. And there's things like doing ad clicks and playing games, and they will earn you a very small amount, such as 0.001 to up to 1 cent for some of them. And there are also higher paying tasks, so things like offers and surveys, things like that, and they're going to pay you a lot more. So for example, one of the surveys that you can do will pay you 80 cents. So if you imagine these earning tasks, it's a bit like having a dripping tap. So, you know, the amount of earning that you're doing, so even if it's a very small amounts, it's going to, constantly have a dripping tap, and, you'll have more and more drips of money coming in, and that's going to fill up your cash pot. Okay, so after you have joined the free website in step number 1 and started to do some of the earning tasks, so it could be the ad clicks or it could be the surveys, whatever it is that you can do. Once you've done that and you've updated the system, then step number 2 is all about promoting Simple Monthly Money, and we'll be doing that using free to join traffic sites. By promoting the system, Simple Monthly Money, on the free traffic sites, then what's going to happen is you will start to build up some referrals coming into the system, and those referrals will join step number 1 free earning site using your referral link, and they are going to join step number 2, the free traffic sites, also using your referral link. And that then, it's going to increase the amount of cash flow. It's like having multiple dripping taps instead of just one. So the first few steps on Simple Monthly Money are all about creating a little bit of cash flow. That can be from your own earning or from earnings from your referrals as well. So the first target is all about filling your cash pot and earning $2. If you can do the higher paying tasks such as the surveys, it's very possible to do that within 1 day. If you can only do the smaller tasks such as the ad clicks and things like that, it is going to take you a little bit longer. But if you promote the system, and the more you promote the system, the more referrals that you get, then that's going to speed up the earning for you. So it's going to help you to reach that $2 quite quickly as well. Once you have reached your $2, then you can move on to step number 3, which is to pay $1 to upgrade the system on Simple Monthly Money. When you've reached step number 3, which you can of course do all in 1 day, you can complete steps 1, 2 and 3 all in 1 day if that suits you. And once you've got to the step 3 and you're doing the $1 upgrade, then the reason for doing that is because that's going to help to pay for done for you advertising, which I set up for you. And then it also unlocks referral commissions of 50 cents per upgraded referral. After you have upgraded the system, then the earnings that you're going to get from your referrals is 50 cents per upgrade. So it changes the dripping tap or the cash flow. It brings it up from the 0.001 for doing ad clicks, for example, up to drips of 50 cents coming in instead of the smaller amounts. Now you will still get the smaller amounts as well into the free earning site from the new referrals coming in. So you're going to still be getting commission from them, and for doing like the ad clicks and things like that yourself. You only need to do 4 ad clicks per day to be earning from your referrals. So you can keep doing that, or you can keep doing some surveys and things like that if you want to. And then, as well as that, once your referrals have moved on to step number 2, which is the free traffic sites, then you're going to be earning additional advertising credits from them, using the system as well. So as you get more and more referrals coming into the system, then everything speeds up for you. When you have reached step number 3 and you're promoting the system and you've got referrals coming in and everything like that, then what you're doing is you've actually started to create 3 different income streams. The first income stream is from the free earning site. So that's your own earnings from that, as well as commission from your referrals. The second income stream is from the free traffic sites. And again, that is from your own earnings, because the free traffic sites that I have chosen, you will actually get paid a small amount of money just for using them. So you're going to earn a little bit of cash from that, but you will also earn cash from your referrals as well as advertising credits from your referrals activity too. And then the third income stream is your referral upgrades. So that's your 50 cents coming in. So you can see already how the system starts to build. As you progress through the system with Simple Monthly Money, what you're going to be doing is adding additional income streams. So your first 3 are, as I'd explained before, your free earnings site, your earnings from your own activity levels on there, as well as commission from your referrals activity levels. Same thing with the traffic sites, so that's income stream number 2. So you're going to be earning cash and advertising credits from your own activity levels on there. And you're also going to be earning cash commission from your referrals activity levels, as well as advertising credits. Step number 3, or income stream number 3, is from your referral upgrades. So once you have got those 3 in place, then you can move on to step number 4. Step number 4, I'm going to explain exactly what that is. It's all about using some of the funds that you have earned from steps number 1, 2 and 3, and you can use some of those funds to upgrade the free traffic sites. So you start to move into paid advertising, and the paid advertising then means that it's going to start automation of the system. So you're going to start to see referrals coming in on autopilot, because once you have upgraded your advertising so that it's paid, you don't need to be doing ad clicks or anything like that on the traffic sites for your referrals to come in. Now you can keep doing ad clicks. Some of them, it's worth doing that, and if you have no time to do that, then you can literally set the system up so that it is self-perpetuating. It's self generating. It starts to actually create a completely automated system for you. So once you have done that, once you have that in place, then it's up to yourself when you want to do this as well. So you can keep working on steps 1, 2 and 3 for as long as you want to, so that you have enough funds coming in. You can withdraw cash to your bank account or whatever at any stage here. You don't need to the money that you're earning is in your wallet. It's not in the system. It's not held for you within Simple Monthly Money and used to automatically upgrade you or anything like that. It's up to you to decide when suits you to upgrade. And then once you have done the automated you know, using the paid traffic sites, then you can move on to step number 5 and step number 6. And those things are additional, they're going to give you additional skills. You know, it's going to give you extra income streams from those extra steps, but it also teaches you more about marketing as well. So, you know, the system itself is all about generating the cash flow that's going to help you to progress through the system, but it also is about teaching you the different skills that are involved to, you know, to keep progressing and to keep learning more and more about marketing, so that you're going to keep improving and you'll be able to get more referrals coming in because you'll be improving your own marketing skills. As well as progressing through the system and improving your marketing skills, then I just want to highlight as well the fact that your earnings, the earning levels is going to keep increasing with each step that you take. So for example, on step number 1, your earnings might be quite low. So, you know, if all you're doing in step number 1 is doing the ad clicks, for example, you're going to be earning the very small amount. It could be, you know, pennies, literally pennies, from doing the ad clicks there. As you progress then on to step number 2, then obviously you're going to be earning more from that because you're going to earn cash from the traffic sites as well. You're going to start to see referrals coming in, and that starts to give you commission then from step number 1 and step number 2. The amount of money that you earn then on step number 3, as I said, it goes up to 50 cents per referral upgrade. Step number 4. So the paid traffic sites, one of the first traffic sites that you will be using, it costs I think about $2.50 for your first upgrade on that system. So you know, it's not going to take you a lot of time to earn the cash to be able to upgrade. But in addition, once your personal referrals start to move up to this stage, then you're going to earn commission on their upgrades on the free traffic sites. So instead of, you know, earning the 1 or 2 cents on the free earning sites, then you're going to be earning from these 3 sites, from these 3 steps. And these are the step number 4, 5 and 6 are where the earning commission starts to really build up. So you're going to earn a higher level of commission on step number 4. Step number 5 then is going to be higher again. And as you progress on to the step number 6, then if you have 4 referrals who are active in the system and have followed you through each of the steps, then that is sufficient for you to be earning over $1,000 per month. So it's not going to take you a lot of time to build that up to having 4 active referrals. And once you have done that, then it, as I said, it's self-perpetuating. It keeps building, and the amount of money that you be earning every month keeps increasing as well. Now, if you enjoy the system, if you enjoy working with the system, and as you see the money coming in, I'm sure you will enjoy working with the system. If you want to continue after step number 6, then that is something that is going to be provided for you as well. Now, you do not have to keep progressing. As I said, you can choose to stop moving forward at any stage. It's entirely up to you. But if you want to keep learning and keep developing your skills, then you can keep going on to step number 7, step number 8, step number 9. And again, each of those steps is going to have an additional income stream attached to it. So let me just finish off this video with a very quick summary about what Simple Monthly Money is all about. First of all, you can start completely for free. You will start using simple earning tasks such as doing paid ad clicks or paid surveys. And that step is all about you earning just a little bit of cash to add into your cash pot. That little bit of cash then is going to allow you to progress through the steps. As you progress through each step, then you're going to be earning from each of them. So it means then you will have an income stream from step number 1. You're going to have an income stream from step number 2. You're going to have an income stream from step number 3, etc., etc. In addition to the additional earning that comes from each step, you're going to actually be learning new skills from each step as well. So for example, we start off with something quite simple, for doing the ad clicks, for example. You then progress on to learning about using free traffic sites. You then progress on to things like learning how to make affiliate commissions. That's, once you're making sales through Simple Monthly Money, once your referrals are upgrading, that's affiliate commission. And once your referrals upgrade on the traffic sites, again, that is affiliate marketing commission. And finally then, you will be earning higher amounts on the later steps. So although you start with just earning, well, it could be just pennies if you start with the ad clicks, then in addition to having multiple income streams, as you progress up the steps, then the amount of money that you earn from each step increases as well. So you could be starting with your pennies from step number 1. By the time you get to step number 3, you'll be earning 50-cent commissions from your referral upgrades. By the time you get to step number 3, then your commission levels are going to be closer to $1 or $1.50, or higher amounts as well, depending on the amount of advertising that your referrals want to pay for. Once you get to step number 5 and step number 6, then that is when you will be able to earn the $1,000 and more every single month. You can join Simple Monthly Money at the website, which is simplemonthlymoney.com. However, if someone has shared this video with you, then please ask them for their personal referral link, as this is going to help them to progress through the system. And if you have any questions at all, or you need additional help or support, then feel free to contact me anytime on ellieincomecoach@gmail.com. Okay, so that's it from me for this video. Happy earning as always, and I do hope to see you on Simple Monthly Money. It's a very simple system, but a very effective one as well. Take care now. Bye for now. Bye.